Hello students, welcome back to your grammar session. Now today we will start with our chapter number 18, that is capital letters and punctuation marks. Now before beginning with the explanation, let us see few examples first. Alice in Wonderland, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, Black Beauty, The Famous Five, Noddy. Okay, now these are the name of books. What is strange in the way the titles are written? Okay, now we know that we use a capital letter to show the beginning of a sentence. Okay, as we all know that all the beginning of the sentence starts with a capital letter, and we use a capital letter to write the name of a place, write the name of a people or days, months and monuments. Okay, so in the same way the name of a books or a poem or an essay or a play that starts with a capital letter too. ओके अगर हम बुक जो हमें पहले से पता है कि जो प्लेस है, डेज, मंथ्स है, ओके, मॉन्यूमेंट्स है, वो सब तो कैपिटल लेटर्स में ही आता है. लेकिन जो बुक्स के नाम है, कोई पोयम है, कोई ऐसे है, कोई प्ले है, ओके, सो दैट ऑल्सो एवरीथिंग बिगिंस विथ अ कैपिटल लेटर. Now look at the name of the books again and notice the changes. Alice in Wonderland. A is capital, W is capital. Okay. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Okay. H capital, P capital, S and S both S capital. Black Beauty, both B is capital. The Famous Five. Okay. T and both F is capital. And Noddy, N is capital. This is the correct form of writing the name of the books. Okay, similarly, if you are writing a name of a poem or a name of any essay or name of any play, it should always begin with a capital letter. Okay. Now, you all have studied punctuation marks in the previous grades. Now, punctuation makes our writing clear and easy to understand. Okay, it makes us understand what kind of sentence it is and what kind of feeling it being expressed. Okay, so in this chapter we will see 4 punctuation marks, that are full stop, question mark, comma and exclamation mark. Okay, first let us begin with full stop. Okay, an assertive sentence ends with a full stop. Okay, assertive sentence means a simple sentence. Okay, it ends with a full stop. For example, we are going to school. It is my shirt. We are going to the market. This is my pen. Okay, these all are like a simple sentence. Okay, so this will end with a full stop. As you all know, full stop is very easy, and after full stop you always start the letter again with a capital letter, and this sentence is always start with a capital letter. See, we are going to school, W is capital. It is my shirt, I is capital. Okay, so assertive sentence start with a capital letters and end with a full stop. Now we will talk about question mark. An interrogative sentence end with a question mark. Interrogative sentence means the sentence which shows that we are asking something. Okay, it shows WH question or some question. For example, where are you going? When are we meeting again? How are you? Okay, these all are interrogative sentences. Okay, interrogative sentences के पीछे हमेशा हमें क्या लगाना पड़ता है? Question mark. Yes, very good. Now we will see exclamation mark. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark or with a full stop. Okay, if there is an exclamatory word. Now for example, what a lovely flower. Okay, जब हमें ऐसा लगता है कि this is something surprising. Okay, so we put exclamation. Wow, what a beautiful picture it is. Okay, so this is again an exclamation. What a lovely movie. Okay, this is also a kind of a explanation. Okay, this we feel that something is exciting, something is beautiful. Okay, then we put exclamation mark. Now we will see about comma. Now comma is used to, first is separate words in a list. Okay, जो words में जो list है उसे separate करता है. For example, my mother will buy pasta, comma, bedsheet, comma, cups एंड स्पून्स. ओके, ना अभी यहाँ कॉमा लगाया है तो ये सेंटेंस प्रॉपर दिख रहा है. नाउ व्हाट इफ देयर इज नो कॉमा. नाउ हियर मी अगेन. माई मदर विल बाय पास्ता, बेडशीट, कप एंड स्पून्स. ओके, सो ये बहुत ही, अगर सेंटेंस आप रीड करने जाओ तो विदाउट कॉमा दिस सेंटेंस इज इनअप्रोप्रिएट. You have to compulsory put comma and at the end and then the last list. Okay, and the second sentence is I want a cake, 2 pastries and a chocolate. Okay, second use of comma is to separate the names of a person in a sentence. Okay, whenever we are separating the name of a person, for example, Mr. Taneja, the principal of our school, announced 3 days holiday. Okay, Mr. Taneja, who is the principal of the school. Okay, so we have to like put a comma in between to separate the person from its place. Okay, Mr. Taneja, then comma, the principal of our school announced 3 days holiday. Second is Ashi gave me a glass of water. Okay, and the third use of comma is टू शो अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक इन अ सेंटेंस. ओके, जब भी हमें एक सेंटेंस, जो एक लंबा सेंटेंस है, सपोज उसमें हमें शॉर्ट ब्रेक लगाना हो तो हम कब यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वेंट टू द पार्क बट माई फ्रेंड डिड नॉट कम. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे कॉमा नहीं लगाएंगे तो कैसे साउंड करेगा. आई वेंट टू द पार्क बट माई फ्रेंड डिड नॉट कम. सो इट इज़ टू फास्ट एंड मे बी इट इज़ नॉट ईजिली अंडरस्टैंड. Okay, but with the comma it is clearly understood that we have to pause here. Okay, छोटा सा ब्रेक लेना है. Okay, the second sentence, the boy who is in red shirt is my cousin. Okay, so with the comma you can also give a short break in a sentence for the easily understanding thing. Okay, thank you.